Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Bing. It is 4/20/2021 at 8:33 a.m. in Liberty High School. This is Introduction to Engineering Design. We are looking at my Schoology course page. And of course, we always go to start here and the announcements are right there for Monday. Actually, it's Tuesday. And what we are doing this week is the puzzle cube. We're starting the Tetris 3D Tetris puzzle cube this week. But before we get there, we still have 132 and 134 to finish. And I have to admit that I have not finished 134 myself. So if 134 is late as of Sunday at midnight, well, your teacher is a little bit behind as well. So I'm going to try to finish up 134 right now. And 134, by the way, is this assignment, CAD modeling skills 134. And the object here, or the point is to make this object, which this is the beginning of it, step 5. And there is a little continuation of it, step 6. And then a little continuation of this, step 7. See, step 5, step 6, step 7. I've done all of those. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's my engineering notebook simulator. And if I zoom in, you can see that I have put in my notebook, I have simulated writing in my notebook, step 6 and step 7. Oh, step 6, see the screenshots at the end of the document scan. Actually, let me go back. Step 5, add 3 polygons, etc. See the screenshots at the end of the document scan. And then step 6, constrain the polygons, etc. See the screenshot at the end of the document scan. And then step 7, create patterns. See the screenshots at the end of the document scan. So what I'm talking about there are these things. This is what I did a screenshot of step 5, a screenshot of, that's supposed to be step 6, but I didn't rename it. And then this is a screenshot of step 7. Now I've got to do step 8, which actually step 8 and step 9, I consider to be sort of a combined step. So I don't waste time in the notebook writing those as independent steps. I just put 8, 9, extrude the sketch. Finish the sketch and extrude it. Finish, see, I'm writing this with a blue pen. Finish and extrude. Finish and extrude the sketch. Finish the sketch. And this is why these videos take a year to make and to watch. Finish the sketch and extrude it is what I want to say. Finish the sketch and extrude it. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's what I wanted to write in my notebook. And then the actual work is on shape 3D modeling on the computer screen. So when I've done that, I say, see the screenshot at the end of the document scan, which I have not done yet. So let me see, I'm making that. And if we go back to the work that I've already done, this is what I've been doing for the past week or month or so. This hopefully is this, right? This here. Yeah, see, I did that. And I think I did it mostly correctly. I know there's some little cheats that I did if you want to watch some of those previous videos. There's a little bit of cheat that I did to make it look right. And so here it is. Look, there it is. And so now I need to turn it into that. And they do not give a dimension for how thick that plate is. So I have to sort of estimate. Let me go over here. And so I'm going to do an extrusion of this. And notice that it's trying to make an extrusion of the entire rectangle minus a lot of the shapes there, actually minus all of the shapes there. And when we look at this, there's, well, yes, minus, 5 pentagons, minus, 5 hexagons, see, yeah, 5 and 5. But then over here, whoa, over here, they've got, instead of all the triangles, they have these little weird, like greater than symbols. So they did not extrude the entire thing like mine automatically did. And so I need to fix that, and I don't know how quite yet. The first thing I want to do is get this dimension worked out. They don't give us, they tell us actually to estimate it. So let me put a 1 in there and see what happens. And so to me, I'll worry about that later. That looks a little bit thick, but we'll worry about that later to make it look like that. The first thing I need to do is figure out how to fix all these triangles to make them look like 3 greater than symbols. And so as I look at this, I'm thinking maybe I can unextrude these pieces. Unextrude? What's happening here? Okay, is this working? I'm unextruding, right? Okay, unextruding is good because I don't want all of those parts extruded, but I don't know. I'm unextruding. You can see that, right? And so I guess apparently I'm unextruding everything. because I know that part of it needs to be extruded, but I don't necessarily know. Well, that's weird. I don't necessarily know which parts are to be extruded and which parts are to be unextruded. This is sort of working. At least, oh my gosh, make that stop. What do I do? Was that good? What just happened? Okay, that might have been good. It was okay. Let me go ahead and fix this thickness here, 0.5. Okay, that kind of looks like what I want it to look like, but I still haven't figured out the 3 greater than symbols, what appear to be greater than symbols. Okay, let me see here. They have, looks like 3 of them, right? They have 3 of them. It looks like it's every other. There's one and then another. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it looks like it's every other. So not that one, but that one. And not that one, but that one. And not that one, but that one. Okay, and then maybe this. Okay, that's not bad. Yes, and then maybe this. No, that was bad. Was that bad or was that good? Oh, that was okay. That was okay. Okay. All right. This is sort of okay. I'm just trying to figure this out, you know. I'm just working it out. I think that's kind of working. Is that 3 of them? Well, let's just hit a check mark and see what happens. That looks pretty good. That looks really good. I think I did it. This is like the first time I've done something without it going completely bonkers. I think I did it, right? The extrusion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I think I did it. I'm going to end this video because it's going too well for me to mess it up even further. Oh, I forgot. I did screw it up. I forgot. I still have to take the screenshots. And of course, the snipping tool. I'm using Jake's computer, a computer that I'm not used to using. So of course, I don't have it set up the way that I want it to be. Pin to the taskbar. Okay, make that go away. Take a snipping tool. This is the way I do what I consider proper screenshots. Okay, yes. And then I can look, there's a picture of myself with an Arkansas Razorback that's very intimidating. And then I'm going to copy here and then go to Engineering Notebook Simulator, right? I said, see screenshots at the end of the document scan, right? That's what I said, and that's what I'm doing. This is simulating what you would do when you take your screenshot, and put it at the end of your cam scan. That's what this is simulating, right? And so let me, what do I do? Paste that there. Okay, that looks good. I mean, I need to like make it like fit sort of. Okay, and this is working. This is working. This is a simulation of all the notebook work that I've done so far, all the way through step 9, and then all the parts that I've done in the Onshape, the 3D modeling. And so there, it shows the progress. That's very good. I'm almost done. There's more to this, but I'm going to worry about that in another video. That's what's coming. Okay, it's really time to say goodbye before something goes badly. So bye. Stop. Is that what it says? Bye for now.